Hey guys, welcome back and thank you for tuning in. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use these Rhino ramps correctly. So we're going to start with setting them up down, and then we can pull up the car and adjust it and just make it in line with the tires. You need them perfectly straight so the tires are balanced. So let's see how we can balance it. So once the car is pulled up, just line up the ramps, make sure they're straight, make sure they're balanced. So this can be, this space over here can be the same as what's inside over there. It's a bit tight to see or hard to see, but just make sure it's straight and lines up and measures correctly. Do the same with the other one. So just make sure it's straight over there and over here. Once you're positive it's balanced and straight, now we can move the car forward. So as you've seen, just bring the car forward slowly, don't over accelerate. Just so you don't tip over the ramps. So just come up slowly, and the moment you can feel the front tires are kind of level with the ground, then release the accelerator slowly and wait for the tires to come into contact with this spot over here, and then just stop. These ramps you can get them online. I think you can get them on Amazon. You can get them at your local Home Depot or Lowe's. And that's how you go down the ramps. And if you liked and enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and share this to anyone you think this might be helpful to. Thank you for tuning in, and see you on the next one.